Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM and any memory card so nothing shifts while you work. Next, clear a clean surface and organize your tools: precision drivers, suction cup, spudger, and the replacement screen. Use a steady light and anti-static precautions because tiny screws and connectors matter. Once done, position the phone so the cracked side faces up and apply the suction cup near the edge. Gently lift while you pry a small opening with the spudger to expose the frame. You now unscrew the fasteners in the exact order they come out, placing each screw into labeled compartments so reassembly is straightforward. Once the back or mid-frame is off, disconnect the battery first to avoid shorting circuits, then detach the display and digitizer connectors. You want the fragile ribbon cables intact. Carefully lift the broken glass away using a thin pick, and if adhesive remains, apply 90% isopropyl with a lint-free cloth to remove residue so the new screen sits flush and clean. You place the new screen into the frame, align pins and connectors, and reconnect the display and digitizer before fully sealing anything so you can test. Once connected, reattach the battery and power the phone to confirm touch and image. If working, proceed to reassemble in reverse order: screws, mid-frame, SIM tray. Make sure adhesive is even and edges are flush. If you see no display or weird artifacts, make sure to reseat the connectors and confirm the battery has sufficient charge. Small misalignment is often the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.